Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, slice your pork belly to a more manageable size. Don't forget to cut up the skin as well. Afterwards, pour the pork into a bowl and pour in your flour, cornstarch, pepper, salt, and lastly your sesame oil. Mix everything together. Continue mixing until the consistency of the batter looks like this. Next, ready a hot pan with oil and start frying your pork. Leave until it is golden brown or until the pork is cooked and crispy. It should look like this once you take it out. Then, in a separate hot pan with oil, pour in your minced garlic, and minced onion, thoroughly saute your garlic and onion. Before it starts to brown, pour in your bell peppers and mix well with the onion and garlic. Add salt and pepper. Also add in some more sesame oil. And lastly the butter. Mix everything well until the butter is melted. Then, add in your fried pork from earlier. Mix everything together. It should look like this. And that is how you make our delicious salt and pepper pork.
Yum! So delicious. Thanks for watching.